At Paul Fredrick, the right fit starts with two precise measurements, your neck and sleeve size. Measuring at home is simple, no tailor required. Use a flexible measuring tape. If you don't have one, a piece of string, shoelace, or even your phone charger will do. Just mark it, then lay it flat against a ruler or standard tape measure to record your measurement. If your measurement lands between sizes, we recommend rounding up. Think of your collar as the frame to your portrait. It should sit just right, comfortable, never constricting. Measure around the base of your neck where your collar sits naturally. You should be able to slip one finger between the tape and your neck. Once you've found that sweet spot, record your measurement. This is your neck size. Sleeve length is about proportion and presentation. Getting it right is a subtle detail that speaks volumes. With arms relaxed at your side, start the measurement at the center back of your neck, right at your spine. Run the tape over your shoulder and down your arm. A second set of hands is helpful. Stop at the base of your thumb, where wrist meets hand. You want just enough length to let a sliver of cuff peek out from under your jacket. Not too long, not too short. This is your sleeve size. The cut of a shirt determines its look and feel. For a shirt that fits the way you want, Paul Fredrick offers three distinct silhouettes. Classic fit, a timeless, versatile fit, roomier for comfort and ease of movement with a traditional look. Tailored fit, the midpoint, a contemporary silhouette with a closer fit, but not slim. Slim fit, a modern, streamlined fit cut closer to the body for a sharp, clean look. Consider our best-selling comfort stretch shirts if you prefer a closer fit with added flexibility. With just the right amount of stretch and crisp non-iron cotton, these shirts offer unrestricted movement while maintaining their sharp structure. Once your shirt arrives, go ahead and try it on. The collar should sit comfortably, sleeves ending at the wrist edge, the body draping just so, not billowing, not binding. Not quite right? Relax. Our perfect fit guarantee makes returns and exchanges straightforward, effortless, and are always free of charge. Your impeccable dress shirt is just a few easy measurements away. Explore the collection and discover a dress shirt over 70 years in the making, only at paulfredrick.com.